to Craft Time at Houston Public Library. My name is Miss Donna, and today we are going to do raised salt painting. Now this craft is intended for kids ages 5 and up, and parents, you may have to help the little ones with this as well. Now the materials that we need are going to be cardstock. We're also going to need glue, table salt, liquid watercolor paint, or if you don't have the paint, you can use food coloring and mix it in some water. We're also going to need paint brushes or one of the droppers and water to rinse off your brushes. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to need is our cardstock. And you can draw anything that you want with the glue. Miss Donna's gonna draw her ABC. So A, B, C. Now you can draw anything you want to. You can draw your name, you can draw numbers, you can draw a house, sun, a rainbow, whatever you want to draw. And you can also print out templates and draw the template. Now after we have the glue, we're going to take our salt and we are going to spread the salt all over the glue. Make sure that the salt covers every part of the glue. And then once we finish, make sure you shake off the excess salt. See? Okay, now here comes the fun part. You're going to take your paintbrush, dip it in the paint, and you're just going to touch the glue very soft. Touch it at the tip. And watch how the paint moves through the salt. Again, just touch it very lightly. Do you see how the paint is spreading through the salt? Watch. Wow. Okay, so now let's color our B. What color do we want to do the B? Let's do yellow. How pretty. Again, you can do any art that you want to do. I want you to be very creative. You want to spell your name, spell your name. You want to draw, and make sure you trace it with the salt. Look how pretty. Now, what color should we do the C? I know, let's do red. And remember, we have to touch it very light. How pretty is this? And that is your raised salt painting. Now what we're going to do is just sit it to the side and we're going to let it completely dry. And you will have a beautiful, beautiful salt paint art. Thank you and see you next time.